St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Department of Electrical Engineering, in association with the Institution of Engineers India, Local Center Nagpur, welcomes you all to the 3 days online short-term training program on preparing smart videos with animations using PowerPoint. Hello everyone, I am Triveli Naidu from the Department of Electrical Engineering and I am here with another video on making animated videos using Animiz. So let's get started. Firstly, let us download Animiz. This is the official site of Animiz. Let's click on this. Now you have this for your Windows. I'm clicking on Windows into 64 according to your operating system. Now the file is being downloaded. Now the file is downloaded. Let us open this file, install it, run. Next, I accept. Next. Next, this will be the location where your file will be saved. Next. Yes. Next. Creating a desktop shortcut is also available to you. Install. Finish. Now this should appear on the desktop. This is the Animiz. Now you have to sign in with your Gmail account. Now because I had earlier used this, so my Gmail account is already there. If not, you will have to sign in into Animiz. And you have to remember one more thing. This is an online software. So you will have to keep your net on while working on this software and downloading the templates. So after signing in, this is the environment provided to you by Animiz Animation Maker. This version is 2.5.6. Before coming to these templates, let me first tell you about how to create a new empty project. If you have already made a project, you want to access that project, you can click on this option, open project option. If you have a made PPT already prepared with you, you can click on this new project from PPT. Whatever PPT you have made, you can upload it via Animiz and you can animate that PPT as well. So let me click on new empty project. So I'll teach you how to make a new scene. Okay, new scene is adding of slides. For example, I click on this new scene. I get so many options. You can use any of these themes that have been given to you. Okay, so you can take any of these themes. Let me take one natural theme. Okay, now for example, let us take any one of these themes available to us. Let us take this blue sky. So this is the background provided to you in the theme. I'm just because I'm not using this new scene, let me delete it off. Okay, so this would become my scene number 1. So this is the new scene. Now let me introduce some characters to this scene. Okay, you have got so many attaching files over here. Okay, you can either add shapes, you can add images, then you can add a text box, you can add a role. Okay, this is the characters. Okay, you can have the different SVG files and different templates given to you. You can have a call out. Call out means you can have different text fonts. Like you can take any of these. SVG files are available to you in which you have different instruments over here. You can select any of these instrument also. So you have transportation, you have character, you have sports, so many other things. Okay, so you can select any of these props given to you. Also you can select any of the effects that have been given to you. Okay, rain, snowfall, so many other effects are also given to you. So you can select the effect also from this. Or if you want to show a conversation, I can use any of these box. Now if you want to use, you can use any of these things. Okay, let me introduce a character to this animation. So let me take any of the characters. So let me take a mother who is really angry. So I've taken a prop, a mother is over here. Okay, Let her stand over here. Okay, now she's angry from this point of time to this point of time. You can select to whatever time you want this mother to be angry. So let me keep it for, maybe I'll keep it for 4 seconds. Okay, and what type of entrance do you want the mother to enter inside the scene? Okay, you can select, you can double click on this. You have so many options provided to you. So I have taken a big entrance. Okay, so you can take that. And then how do you want it to vanish? You can click on this and you can select the option. So I will simply take this option. Okay, bounce out. Okay, this option I've selected. Now I want another character. Let me click on this. Let me take this fashion lady. Okay, now this fashion lady, we can select a role for this fashion lady. Okay, we can select a motion role also for this fashion lady. Now I want her to sadly move. Okay, so let me take her to sadly move. Now this girl, how long she should sadly move? I want her to move till 4 seconds. So let me select the timeline over here. Now let's check what is happening in the scene. Now I've created this video. Okay, now it doesn't look that effective. Let me add a voiceover to this so that it looks more effective. So I can add a voiceover to this by the use of this record option. Let me click on this record option. Let me click on this, then the countdown will start and I can start recording according to the scene. I'm going home, Mama. Where were you? Go back home. So you saw, you can add your voiceovers to this. If you want to add this, let's see. How does this appear? I'm going home, Mama. Where were you? Go back home. So this is how you can make. Now you want to save this file, you can save it via this icon. You can save it. And if you want to create a video of this, you can publish it. Okay, let me click on publish. Okay, so I want a video for this. Next. So next, publish. So you can select the, but this is for pro members. Okay, so you can have the size of this as 576 pixels. So yes, already okay, let me check. Okay, watch the video. Let us see. I'm going home, Mama. Where were you? Go back home. So this is how you can publish your videos in Animiz. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Now let us check on the templates. This was creating a new template. You can, if you are a school teacher, you can make interesting stories from this. If you're having a chapter, you're having a chapter on, you are having a story in the chapter, then you can elaborate that story in this manner. So it becomes more attractive to the children you teach. Okay, now let's understand. Yes, I want to save this file. Okay, save as new project. Yes. Okay, now this has been saved. Now I was talking about the templates, right? Now you can take any of these templates and work on it. That is also possible. Let me take, for example, any of the templates. Now let us take this Science and Technology Studio. I'll download this. What all scenes have been provided? You can just check out all the scenes that have been provided to you. There are 3 scenes altogether. You can play it and see. Now you can change this. Okay, I don't want this to appear. So I can change this. Department of Electrical Presence. Okay, simply giving it like this. Okay, presence. Now this, I can simply drag this up here and I can drag this more upwards like this. I want to edit this. I will edit it as short term training program. So you can accordingly adjust this. Okay, this is what I've initially made. Now let's see. Let it be. This is the first scene. Okay, now let us check out on another scene. What has been given to you. Okay. So I can edit this. What is this HTTP going to provide us? So you can have any kind of a conversation. You can increase this text font, okay, by clicking up option. So this increases the font of whatever you have written, okay. You can simply do it this way, okay. Now I've just changed this conversation. Now let me reply to the answer. It will teach us to create amazing videos. So I can just increase the font of this. So it is going to teach us to create amazing videos. So let me introduce this. Okay. So let me again start this. I'm all fucked up in the moment, spacing out into the sound. So this is how you can change the conversation between these two people. It could be anything now. Both of them are talking to each other, and you can accordingly modify this template according to the needs and requirements. You can check this out. The last thing, the last scene that has been provided. So this is how you can edit this. Any of these things can be edited. You just have to click on this and you can edit this option. That is also possible. And then you can just publish it and save the file. Okay. Now Animiz, with the files you prepare via Animiz can be obviously uploaded on YouTube channel directly. Okay, you can save the file, you can keep the MP4 file along with you and you can save it. Okay, so this is about Animiz publishing files, and you can add music to this also. You have an option of adding music, like your background music. You're not satisfied with this music. Let me say for this, I want to change the music for this. Okay, you can add the sound. Okay, otherwise you can go for a, you can delete the sound that has been provided over here. I don't want the sound. Instead I want to add a sound. So it will ask you from where do you want to add the sound. So I've kept certain sounds over here. So I can go for music. This is the music file I'm having. So I can have any of the music. Okay. For example, I'm taking this up. Okay, I want to add this sound. Transcode now. Okay. Now this music will be transcoding in the background. Okay. So this is how you can add up the music, but you have to be really careful while you are adding the music, because there could be copyright strikes on your YouTube channel if you take the copyrighted music and you do not give proper credits to the people you have taken the music from. For this, you can download it from the YouTube library that has been given to you for free access. Okay, so that is how you can do it. I've taken this now. Okay, I just want to delete this which was already available. Now add this sound. I just want to add this sound. Cancel. So just adding the sound can make more effective. Okay, now see, you saw the music has now changed. Okay, so this is how you have so many options over here. You can just discover more things. You can zoom in, zoom out with the help of these options, and then you can justify the screen. Okay, you can just edit the timeline. If you want to go through the timeline, you just have to come here. You have to go upwards and downwards and just find out, and you can change the timeline width also. If I drag this upwards, it will become more smaller, because timeline is really important if you want to do setting parts. Okay, then you can bring it back. You can make the screen to look big. Okay, this is also possible. Okay, you can add local images also. Adding local images means from your PC. It will take any of the images from your PC. Okay, so these are all the features provided to you on the Animiz platform. So that's all for this video. In this video, we have studied preparing videos with Animiz Animation Maker, adding animation to the video, adding music and voiceovers to the video, and saving and publishing the video. Thank you. Happy learning.